Right now I'm eating breakfast. I'm about to eat and then I'll be back getting ready. Hey y'all, so I brushed my teeth, washed my face, all that good stuff. I did my edges even. Yeah, but I'm about to do my makeup, and because it is 1:34. It's 1:34. Ooh, my lashes kind of look bad. Y'all don't mind that. I try to fix them, but gates open at 12. So we should have been ready. Sure, I take off at 2. We really just there for the line dances and the vibes. Hello, sister. What's up? Hey. It's trail ride day. Hey.
I done turned the dancer to a trophy.
This is cute.
What we doing?
Pluto got 20 girlfriend, a lot of money on the stripper education. The blocks with the switch piece, extend shots. It's a Memphis rapper that was fucking nigga bitch. I was just a college blast, then I turned into a track star. Wanted all the bill in my Tim stuff, and now I'm with Young Metro and the big lover. Thinking to myself, could I really do it while I'm Keystone?
I don't fuck with these niggas. Born in the 80s, crack baby mama, so I got it off the block. Been working my whole life, but I'm the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. I sent that bitch to law school. Keep it real with us, is this pistol and these slugs. Real bitch. I ain't got shit for a nigga. Bass thumping. Y'all got the motherfucker open. Now I tell you something. Hell nah.
Too much liquor gonna make you call me nigga. Think I want you when I don't, and I know, but it make me wanna call you like how you want is I'm all have.
Yeah, that's really what it is for me too.
But I don't know, this girl is French. Yeah, so I think actually I might put her too. So I think it was, I don't think it was, I mean, these are only options that. Set off in this motherfucker. I'm gonna put you I'm tired of wanna talk shit. You wanna run your mouth, you wanna call me bad, and I punish you. I'm thugging outside, we don't need cable. Now
Ooh, it's hot in the mud. What are the team?
I'm finna grab this charger.
Okay. Is it recording? Y'all, I don't know if I can do this one. It's a little bit hot outside. Might gotta wear this outside. Okay, boo, she's too ready. Okay. Don't mind the shirt. I just have the shirt on. Just have it on. It's gonna be one of these. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go in the house and like change. Okay. But I brought you this fan, so I'm finna plug it up in your room. So you got a fan, or do you already got a fan? Thank you, Tina. No, I don't. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I got my fit on, as y'all seen. I'm about to put some lotion on. Y'all, it's so hot outside. Like, keeping that fan on because it's so freaking hot outside. But yes, we'll take some pictures. thing is broken like me.
Argentina like the high school.
Slow down. No,
Right. Sis.
Oh wait, I can't play music because you pretty here.
Okay, y'all. So we on the way to the hair store to see if they have bandanas to complete our outfits because Argentina went to Dollar General and they didn't have none. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we get there. Period.
Oh, she got a check that one. Ooh, that's cute.
I'm cute. Hey guys, so we're in Dollar General, Tree, because we went to the beauty, what am I saying? Hold on, wait. Let's just rewind that. Argentina went to Dollar General, couldn't find them. We went to, we went to the beauty supply, they were closed. We at the Dollar Tree, don't look like they got anything. No, I'm just lying.
They really don't.
But hopefully find something.
In here with these people. Yeah. Ooh, I'm dropping.
This one kind of ugly.
It don't go with the team. It's gonna do though from afar. He can speak from afar, not go.
Right. Let me see. But is this cute though? I don't even remember that dance to be doing all that. But I think they do got some bandanas. We just ain't looking. See, they do. They right here. I knew we wasn't looking.
Oh, yeah. At least I got your pink one. They got a white one too.
Do they come in a pack?
Oh, they come in a pack. You pink me what? Oh, we in there.
Hey,
we in there.
We in there. Hey.
Should I get a fan or? But nah, I'm not gonna get a fan because I'm gonna have that one. I got the whole.
Should I even get one either? Do you don't want to have like just at the house when we just playing?
Oh, she's playing. The people would be on you.
You feel like?
Oh, I got my boots on the ground. What I'm
To make a quick reminder that we still have all of our Easter stuff up here for sale if you're getting prepared for Easter.
I thought he was going to say they not checking people out no more.
I hope that we have everything you need, but it's going to get smaller and smaller, the selection as we go. So.
Alright guys, here are our outfits.
So yeah, I got the pink bandana, and then we got the pink belt.
Yeah, that's.
Pink bandana, the pink belt. Oh yeah, it's the fit though, y'all.
I just realized your shorts are kind of like in the back. They're kind of like ombre.
They are?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
they
cute.
is. Period.
That's such a cute touch too. I just think.
Period. I didn't even know.
You gotta really go fuck up a bed.
Okay, we should go.
Oh yeah, I gotta be social because I'm finna be like, my name?
Argentina.
Argentina.
Hey.
I hope they don't ask if you don't want to be here. I got too much stuff. My shirt, shorts.
Okay.
Shout out Goodwill for the boots.
Hey. Okay, y'all. So we about to head there. It is.
I don't even know where I got this shirt from. I'm gonna go on.
401. We late. Yeah. We late. So we gonna get there quick.
The party don't start till we get there because we the party. Traffic. Oh my gosh. Oh, you trying to get a look.
Hold on now.
Hold on. Or walk the rest of the way. I'm gonna park
What's
here.
up here? Cause I definitely don't. I hope I don't see nobody up here.
See who that is.
Y'all, look at this long line. Like, it can't be that lit. Like, this is not homecoming. This is not Prairie View, bro.
Hey, this is giving PV.
It is.
That's
this is literally
PV.
how it looked. But like, my lens is dirty.
Is this wrong? Look at this filter. Who's that supposed to be?
Girl, don't play. You know who that's supposed to be.
Jesus. But I know I didn't take your last napkin.
Nah, it's more up in there.
Oh, okay.
Dang, you didn't even care if you did. She already started wiping the camera before she said anything.
Cause that little lens ain't gonna do nothing to that napkin.
What's up, guys? Julian Austin here. It's my first little trail ride, I guess.
Oh, nice.
Happy to be alive.
Okay,
God bless.
For the first trail ride.
Yes, yes. This is almost
Y'all wanna say what up?
like 400 on the boost.
It's your boy Red, you know what I'm saying? Yo to the good, yo to the good.
First trail ride or no?
First trail ride.
Okay, say what up.
How y'all doing? This Marlo. First trail ride as well, but
Look at the fit. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I think I just recorded that in slow-mo.
I just know.
Alright, shout out to the vlog, man. Shout out to Crazy. Come back. You already know it's your boy Kim. Damn. So we at Trail Ride 2025.
y'all, man, we had the Trail Ride 2025. You know,
Already know it's Zach, man. Langston Trail Ride, we going up.
That's why they left. They don't know how long it is from what I heard. Wanna watch you.
Hey, y'all. I got a slush, y'all. I got me one. Yeah. It's upstairs. Can I be in here? Yep. Yep. Be my vlog. Yeah.
I'm the queen, not him. Hey! Please, he's not there for nothing. Hey, we got a vlog. Hey!
They playing the bunny hop, yo. We got to go.
Pussy ain't scared. Dance and make all the niggas look at your hair. I remember Magic City before the freak, before the police started all that big shit. All the big hoes get
Trail ride coming back.
all the
Oh, I see them.
Hello, I'm the best bitch ever. Birthday man.
I'm talking. Come here. Bring that. Hey, ladies.
I ain't stopping cause this pussy too good. If you go.
Yo.
Before we start to turn it down,
You must first be.
I like
Y'all think they let me pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? I can touch it. Okay. It's wet. Ooh, I done pet that dog. Throw the fuck up. Yo, that horsehair was all on my hand. Very quesadilla. Yes, ma'am. She right there. Thank you. You're welcome. Perfect. Hey. Y'all, this is my brother.
Honestly, guys. Say hi.
Nice vlog.
Hey. So we finna go put the tacos in the car. You did. On the camera.
It's not okay. I'm suing somebody.
I gotta wake up, but I'm in the ground. Get them up. We gon' take them to the mall.
We're currently after the trail ride. It's over. We're sitting in the car.
I'm tired. I low-key want to take a nap because right now, guys, it's 7:59 and the party doesn't start till like 10. So
I thought it started at 8.
they said that
I thought it was
the
on
lake
flyer.
sitter.
Yeah, I thought it was on the flyer that it started at 8.
Well, I thought that was the
I thought it was like supposed to be right after.
okay. The after party does start at 8, I think. So
Then what starts at 10?
maybe
I'm
that little
confused.
function they was in. I think that function is going on right now. That they was inviting us to.
The function that they were saying on the radio, on the speakers, or the function that
They was coming.
they
to
was
us
coming
and
up to us and talking about.
saying- Yeah. Cause I think they was telling us to go there, wasn't they? Okay, y'all. So we back from trail ride. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I changed I'm about to put on some different shoes, and then we going to the Langston Center, and we gonna be lit. This gonna be the end of the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that trail ride. It's pretty fun. But yeah, y'all, I'm just tired. I'm trying not to fall asleep before this Langston Center, but I will. Oh, yeah. Peace, love, and hair grease.